Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we'll see how we can apply tags automatically via Azure Policy. So in our last video, we have seen that we can enforce, you know, like applying tags while creating the resources. But in this video, we are going to automatically assign the tags from our resource group. So I will go to my policy, and in our last video, if you have seen, we have assigned this particular policy. So now let me do one thing. Let me delete this. Okay. So that it don't interfere with our current work. Okay. Now here what I will do, I will go to my assignment here. I'll click on assign policy. Again, I need to select where I need to apply these policies. So I will say I need to apply it at my subscription and inside my this resource group. Once I will select here, make sure your resource group and subscription is available here. You can exclude anything if you want from here. Then here you can click on this policy definition. So here we have a lot of out of the box policies already available. So what I will do, if you will search for this inherit a tag. So here if you see you have multiple policy already available. So but I want to use it at my resource group level, right? Inherit a tag from the resource group if missing. Okay. So I'll simply add this. Okay. At the same time, let me do one thing. I'm going to duplicate this tab and let me go to home, policy and definition. And let me search for that inherit a tag from we are going to use this one. Okay, so here you can see its definition. Okay, so add the specify tag with the value from the parent resource group if missing, right? So this is and here you can see how it is doing. It is going to take the value from your parent resource group, right? If that is not available, then only. And similarly, you can build your own as well, but for now we are going to use out of the box one. So now let me go back to my window. So here you have seen that how you can verify what is actually written inside this policy as well. Okay, yeah. So now what I will do, inside my assignment name, let me give a name as inherit the cost center tag and its value 00 from the resource group if missing, right? If you're following these videos in sequential way, you will able to get what I'm trying to say here. Okay, then I can simply enable this. I can go to next. Okay, now here I need to specify my tag name, right? So I will say I want the value from my cost center tag. I can click on next. So here what I will do, create a remediation task. Okay, and here basically like whenever this will violate, this policy will get applied and it will copy the value. Okay, so I can say next, and I can simply keep it as it is. I can click on next, and let me say review and create. Okay, so I've created this was my description, and inside my where is my remediation task? Yeah, I have my remediation task, and inside my remediation task I selected that automatically copy the value from my resource group. So here if you see the remediation task is getting created, the role assignment creation is progress. So it will take some time to see your changes. I think it is created now. Now let me now try to create a storage account again. Now let me try to create resource now. Here my resource group is already selected, so let me see. I'm giving some random name. Okay, and let me say next. So I'm not assigning a tag here. I can say next. Now here the validation is in progress. and let me go to tag here. So let me now create the storage account right away. And here what I will do, I will go to this storage account. I'll wait for some time to get it provisioned, then I will check. Okay, so the resource is ready. Now let me go to resource and let me go to tag, and here if you can see the tag is already available with this cost center 000. So this is how you can automatically assign tag using policy. And just to recap what we did, we went to our policy, we are simply going to assignment, we assign this particular policy at our that particular resource group, right? And we have inside our remedy, we have selected that particular policy which will automatically copy value from our resource group tags to individual resource. Thank you for watching this video.